Welcome and enjoy the video secure initialization and unsealing of Vault with OpenSSL. First, we will configure the environment by setting the vault_addr variable so that the Vault client always communicates with the server at http://127.0.0.1:8200. This is an important step to ensure Vault operates correctly. Next, we will proceed with the initialization of Vault. We will use the Vault operator init command to start the initialization process. The generated Unseal keys and root token will be encrypted using OpenSSL with the AES-256 CBC algorithm, ensuring our data remains secure. I will also show you how to decrypt these keys using OpenSSL. This will allow you to access the encrypted information when needed. Finally, you will learn how to check the status of Vault after initialization using the Vault status command. You will understand how to interpret the results to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Before performing the initialization of Vault, it is important to configure the environment variable for the Vault client. If you want Vault to always use the address http://127.0.0.1:8200, i.e. permanently, you need to add this variable to the environment variables of the Windows system. Here's how to do it. Access System Properties. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System. Scroll down and click on About. Open Advanced System Settings. In the About section, find and click on Advanced System Settings on the right side. This will open the System Properties window. Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, navigate to the Advanced tab. Click on the Environment Variables button. Add a new environment variable. In the System Variables section, click on New to create a new variable. Enter the following details. Variable name, vault_addr. Variable value, http://127.0.0.1:8200. Save settings. Click OK to save the new environment variable. Click OK again in the System Properties window to apply the changes. By completing these steps, you will have successfully configured the vault_addr environment variable on Windows 11, allowing the Vault client to communicate with the Vault server at the specified address before initialization. Initializing Vault and saving keys to an encrypted file using OpenSSL. Initialize Vault and encrypt keys. To initialize Vault and save the keys in an encrypted file, use the following command.
Vault operator init pipeline OpenSSL enc AES-256 CBC salt out d:/vault_keysecret.txt.nc.
This command starts the Vault initialization process and then pipes the generated Unseal keys and root token directly into OpenSSL. OpenSSL encrypts this data using the AES-256 CBC algorithm and saves it to the d:/vault_keysecret.txt.nc file. Decrypting the keys. To decrypt the file and view the contents, use the following command. It's recommended not to specify an output file, using the out option, so that the decrypted keys will be displayed in the terminal. OpenSSL enc DAES-256 CBC in d:/vault_key_secret.txt.nc or OpenSSL enc DAES-256 CBC in d:/vault_key_secret.txt.nc finds the initial root token. If you prefer not to use OpenSSL and want to save the initialized keys directly to a file without encryption, you can use the following command.
Vault operator init your path. Checking Vault status after initialization. Checking Vault status after initialization. After initializing Vault, it's important to check its status to ensure everything is functioning correctly. The Vault status command provides detailed information about the current state of Vault, including whether it is sealed, the number of key shares, and other critical details. Here's how to use it. Open your terminal and enter the following command. Vault status. Understanding the output. Understanding the output. The output of the Vault status command will include several important pieces of information. Sealed indicates whether Vault is sealed, true, or unsealed, false. Key shares, the total number of key shares generated during initialization. Key threshold, the number of key shares required to unseal Vault. Unseal progress, shows how many key shares have been provided to unseal Vault. Version, the version of Vault that is running. Cluster name and ID, identifiers for the Vault cluster. High availability, HA, mode, indicates whether HA mode is enabled. Unsealing Vault. After initializing Vault, it is necessary to unseal it to make it usable. This process requires providing the appropriate number of unseal keys. Here are the steps you need to follow. Run the unseal command, open your terminal and enter the following command. Vault operator unseal. Enter the unseal keys. After running the command, you will be prompted to enter an unseal key. Enter one of the keys generated during initialization and press enter. Repeat the process. Repeat step 2 for the remaining unseal keys until you reach the required key threshold. For example, if the threshold is 3, you need to enter 3 different unseal keys. Check Vault status. After entering all the required keys, Vault should be unsealed. You can verify this by running the following command. Vault status. The output should indicate that Vault is unsealed, sealed, false. In summary, by following these steps, Vault should now be properly configured, initialized, and ready for secure use. Thank you for watching.